Mow high. Never mow more than a third of the grass at one time. If you mow too short, it scalps the lawn and it creates a better environment for the weeds to grow. Tall grass allows the roots to grow deeper. When the grass is, when you're not cutting more than a third of it off, so if you're mowing at 3.5 inches, it should be when the grass is at 4.5 inches. So that could be 4 days after a mow, it could be a week, it just depends on the time of year. The other thing is mowing in different patterns. When you continue to mow the same way week after week, it creates ruts in the lawn, and it also causes your grass to grow in the direction that you're mowing. So you want to switch up your mow patterns on a weekly basis, so crisscross it. The grass clippings provide nutrients for the grass that's there. As long as you're not cutting more than a third off, it's healthy. Now if you're cutting 2 inches of grass off, it's going to sit there and mat on the lawn and create a lot of problems. Well, there's a number of factors that go into it. Weather is obviously the biggest one, and if it's too dry, that can create a ripe environment for funguses, and also if it's too wet, it can do the same. So a healthy lawn is the best defense against disease and funguses. Almost all the diseases look very similar. It's very hard to differentiate between them, but for the most part, the products to treat them are the same. Maintaining proper pH levels on your soil, and the way to do that is have your soil tested by professionals. Have someone come out and take a sample of your soil and send it in to Penn State Agriculture Department to be tested. And then you get the results back and find the corrective action to take. Typically, it involves putting lime or calcium down to raise the pH. It's difficult. I guess it's just a process of having your lawn treated by professionals year after year to start to build the results, and they come slowly with lawns. To get an entire property with uniform grass is a long process. So just time and effort.